So this is the aftermarket headlight for the Mitsubishi Lancer. This is for the 2008 to 2017 Mitsubishi Lancer. So this is a very, very nice upgraded headlight that will give you daytime running light options, sequential turn signal. It will give you the LED high beam and low beam, and it will also give you the side marker and the optional use of the demon eye in red. So what we're going to show here in this video is just briefly what each one of the wires do. This will help you when you're installing these headlights. It will also help you if you need to test it if something's not working, so you know how you can test the functionality on it. So out of the box, this is what the back of the headlight looks like. So you have two sets of harnesses here. This right here is the harness that plugs into the OEM headlight harness on the Lancer. And then this right here, this is going to plug to the only additional harness that comes in the box, which I'll show you in just a moment. This is only for the demon eye and side marker next to the demon eye. That's all this is for. So if for some reason you don't want to use the demon eye, you don't have to hook it up. All you need to do is hook up for the regular functionalities, hook this up to your OEM harness. The additional harness that comes in the box is this one here. So this harness is quite long, and that's because it's going to connect on the short end here. It's going to connect to the driver's side headlight, and then this longer cord here, part of the cord here, the longer end, you'll have to fish it along and get it over to the passenger side headlight. It has a fuse in line. It's got a little 5 amp fuse. And then this is the connection end. This end right here has an additional 15 and 5 fuse, and this plugs into an accessory fuse port on your OEM fuse box that is under the hood. So you're going to want to find an accessory port that will accept this and that will allow it to function when the car is on and the lights are on. So for testing purposes, we're going to hook up the demon eye. So we're going to plug that connector in, just very gently plug it in until you hear it click. Same thing with this one here. Just go ahead and plug it in until you hear it click. These tabs should be pressed down and clicked into place. Now to test this, it is super simple. So here we have a power inverter. If you don't have a power inverter, that's fine. You can just think of this as your car battery. Just get 2 wires. And to test it, we're going to take and have 1 wire hooked up to the negative terminal on the battery. And then the second wire that we're going to use for our positive wire, we're going to hook it up to the positive terminal of the battery. Now, if you want to test the demon eyes, you're going to need a 3rd wire. You're going to need a 3rd wire hooked up to the positive terminal. So you need 2 positive wires and 1 negative. Because in order to test the demon eye, you also have to have power running to the OEM socket here and ground on here as well, which we'll show you in just a moment. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to run our negative terminal wire over to the black wire, the pin on the inside here. It's all by itself. You can see on the very end, it's all by itself. That is the ground wire, and you can just put your little pin in there, touch it to the little pin. And while you're doing this, it's always a good idea to just inspect the pins, make sure you don't see any that are bent or damaged or anything like that, because if they are, that'll obviously keep the headlight from functioning correctly. All right, so we got a good little ground there. So now what we can do is we can test out the different functions here. So we're going to look at, on the back here, the order they go in from going the direction where the ground is at, with the little ground on my left. We're looking across and we have a green, yellow, blue, and red. So we're going to do the green one first. And the green one is going to be in I'm going to kind of pull it forward a little bit so you can see a little bit better. That is the running light. That's the daytime running light. Lighting up there all nice and white and pretty. Next up, we're going to test out the yellow wire. This should be the turn signal. Yep. You see it does the sequential turn, working from the inside of the headlight to the outside. That tells us our turn signal is functioning. Next, we're going to test the blue wire. That one there is for the projector. And then the final one is the red wire. This is also going to be for the projector. Now this should be the bright, yeah. So the blue wire is the low beam, and the red wire looks like it is the high beam. So that is the functionality on it. Now, for the demon eye, so test that on this wire right here. We want to test it out. This wire here, the one that has the little fuses that plugs into the fuse panel. All you got to do is keep your wire grounded over here on the main harness, and then go ahead and we can take our positive wire and just touch this end here that plugs into the fuse panel. And you'll notice here you can see the red demon eye and the daytime running light are on together. They are both functioning. Everything is on just like it should be. Now, to show what happens when you turn your headlights on, right now we have the demon eye, which is red, and the running light going together. Now, when the headlight comes on, we'll go ahead and do the low beam. You notice the demon eye goes off and the headlight comes on. So that is what will happen. As soon as the headlight goes off, the demon eye comes back on. Everything functions perfectly fine. So again, this is how everything hooks up on these. So again, the main harness here, this is for your basic functionality, your high beam, your low beam, your turn signal, and your running light. That's what this is for. This hooks up to your OEM harness. Whereas this wire here, the separate harness that plugs into these harness plugs on the back of the headlight, they're going to be on the back of both the passenger and the driver's side one. These are specifically for the demon eye. That's all they're for. They allow the demon eye to function. So when the demon eye is on, it'll function. Yeah, the running light will come on, and it'll be able to function until the headlights are turned on.